So guys, hello, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily turn on the flashlight on iPhone 14. So what you want to do, and it's pretty straightforward and easy tutorial, go to top right and you need to swipe down, and then you're gonna, next to the thing here, you're gonna have this button here. And the button, the flashlight, this is how you can turn it off and turn it on. So right now you see it's working. And you can click here again. And that's pretty much it how we do it. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. So yeah, this is how you can turn on the flashlight on iPhone 14.